What is going on, guys? Welcome back to MG Marine Tech. Today, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the channel, some things to come. One of those being a 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned towards the end of the video for details on that. And then also today, I wanted to kind of give you guys an update on some of the new products. One of those being is in a box right behind me here. This is the new Garmin Kraken trolling motor. And then the other thing we're going to be touching base on today is Garmin just released the new EchoMap Ultra 2 lineup. So I'll give you guys a few details and what I know about them so far. So stay tuned. Behind me, we have a Minn Kota Terrova. These are great trolling motors for the money. But as you guys know, Garmin has released the Kraken not too long ago, and we have one right here. Now, that Terrova is going to be being replaced by that Kraken. And in the meantime, I have been doing some comparison videos. So I've got some top speed test runs on my setup with the current Terrova, and we're going to be testing the Kraken doing the same thing. Going to be giving you guys information like voltage or amp draw on the two models in comparison, as well as some installation videos, an installation video on how to use that integrated cable management system and installing a live scope transducer on the Kraken, because that is all part of one of the big key features of the Kraken is they have integrated cable management and live scope mounting built into the Kraken trolling motor. So I'll show you guys an in-depth video on how to actually do that install, as well as the install on the boat. So stay tuned for those. I'm pretty excited to get this thing out of the box and on the boat here. So now number two, Garmin has just recently released the new Ultra 2s that are going to be replacing the current Ultras. Now these are the 10 and 12-inch EchoMaps. They have been awesome units, and it's about time they got a facelift. On the outside, they look exactly the same, just like they did with the UHDs versus the UHD 2s. All the changes are on the inside. The three biggest things that I am seeing is different about the new Ultra 2s versus the Ultras. One, they have wireless networking, so they will share things like your sonar, your waypoints, tracks, wirelessly to another Ultra 2, and I believe even a EchoMap, UHD 2. Now, they're not going to share live scope wirelessly. You will still have to run a network cable for that. Not a huge deal. Number two, they have a new user interface. So just like the UHD 2, you're basically getting that GPS map series user interface. One of the main things I love about that interface is the ability to save presets for your settings. So you can change all of your settings, save it as a preset, and then swap between these presets for certain things. So say you have a preset that you like for dirty water. You can go to your dirty water preset, changes all of your settings. Then you can do the same thing for clean water, etc. You guys get the gist of that. Now, this works on your side imaging, your down imaging, your 2D sonar, and I believe it even works on your live scope settings. I have not personally done that, but I'm 99% sure you can also save the presets for your live scope settings and swap back and forth between them very, very easily. Now, the third thing with the new Ultra 2s, and this is going to be huge for guys like myself, is the ability to screen record your unit to your phone. So you'll be able to screen record your live scope, your side imaging, all of that stuff directly to your phone, and then easily share those videos. It's going to be a usable format. So it's going to look just as you would on your screen. It's just going to be saved on your phone. That is huge for guys like myself. I'll be able to show you guys exactly what I'm seeing. Now, this is nothing new. It has been in the GPS map lineup for a while now, but they're now bringing it to the Ultra 2s, and hopefully they're going to be doing the same thing with the UHD 2s. But for right now, the Ultra 2s out of the box are going to have this feature. So that's three major updates to the new Ultra 2 unit. If you guys are in the market, again, check me out at mgmarinetech.com. And then number three, 15,000 subscriber giveaway. We are creeping up on 13,000, and I want to hit that 15,000 mark. And to help egg you guys on, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And what we're going to be giving away, well, the tried and true LiveScope Plus LVS 34 system. This is going to be a brand new setup for one of you lucky subscribers out there. So do your part, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It definitely does help me out. I appreciate everybody that has hit that subscribe button already, and I want to take this channel to the next level. So like I said, 15,000 subscribers, we are going to be doing a giveaway for a LVS 34 LiveScope Plus system. So stay tuned for that. I think along the way, I'm probably going to be doing a couple of smaller giveaways. I can't afford to do a bunch of LiveScope LVS 34 giveaways, but I can help you guys out and do some smaller giveaways along the way as a thank you to you guys. So stay tuned for that. This is not the giveaway video, so you don't have to do anything here other than get the word out. Share it to your friends. Let people know that 15,000 subscribers, LVS 34 giveaway, and a couple of other giveaways along the way. As always, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on MG Marine Tech.